In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create a Namecheap email for your domain step by step. This is a great way to make your business look more professional, keep your branding consistent, and get a custom email address that matches your website. If this tutorial helps, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software guides just like this. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go to your Namecheap dashboard and sign into your account. Once you're inside, look at the left-hand menu and click on Private Email. This is the section where Namecheap lets you set up a custom email mailbox for your domain. On the private email page, you may see an option that says Start My Free Trial, or if you've already bought a plan, you may see the available plan options instead. Click the option that applies to your account. After that, scroll down through the plans and click Start Free Trial under the plan you want to use. Namecheap will then ask how you want to connect the email service. Select Use a domain I own with Namecheap. This tells the system that you want to use one of your existing domains already registered in your Namecheap account. Next, choose your domain from the list and then click Continue. This step connects your email service directly to the domain you selected, which is what gives you that custom email address. After that, click Create Mailbox. Now you'll need to enter the mailbox details. Type in the name you want for the email address, set a strong password, and configure the storage settings based on what you need. If you're creating email for a business or project, it's a good idea to choose a password that is secure and hard to guess. Once everything looks good, click Save Changes. Namecheap will then create the mailbox for your domain, and your custom email address will be ready to use. From there, you can log into your new mailbox and start sending and receiving emails with your professional domain name. And that's it. You've successfully created a Namecheap email for your domain. If this video helped, please give it a like, subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.